Is it time to buy or sell Genprex stock? In this video, we will explore Genprex in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 18th of October, 2024, our system has classified Genprex as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.51. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. In this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a remarkable gain of 541.65% since our initial recommendation to buy Genprex 4 days ago. This results in an average return of 135.41% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock currently rests in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, with indications of further decreases within this trend. Analyzing the current 3-month trend, there is a potential change of nearly 20% decline over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from a decrease of nearly 96% to an increase of just over 8%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of approximately 0.648% over the next year, with a potential return between a decrease of nearly 92% and an increase of 155%. This equates to a price range from 21.6 cents to $6.77 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Genprex includes the headline, High Volatility in Genprex Inc. stock price on Wednesday, which ended trading at $2.65. The Genprex Inc. stock price experienced a decline of 26.18% on the last trading day, falling from $3.59 to $2.65. During this day, the stock fluctuated by 21.15%, reaching a low of $2.60 and a high of $3.15. This price has seen significant ups and downs recently, with an impressive gain of 677.13% over the last 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume decreased on the last day alongside the stock price, which is generally a positive indication, as volume tends to follow stock movements. On this day, the trading volume fell by 172 million shares, with a total of 14 million shares exchanged for approximately $37,130,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price was $7.99, while the lowest was 18.3 cents. Currently, the price stands at 66.83%, or $5.34, below the 52-week high, and 86.38%, or $16.80, below the all-time high on the 30th of April, 2018, when the price reached $19.45. Genprex Incorporated, trading under the symbol GNPX, has made notable progress in its clinical development programs recently, which could positively influence its stock price. On the 15th of October, 2024, Genprex announced that its Safety Review Committee approved the advancement to the highest dose group in the Phase 1 portion of the ACCLAIM-3 clinical trial. This trial involves the Recorsa gene therapy, utilized in combination with Tecentriq for the treatment of extensive-stage small cell lung cancer. The approval indicates that the therapy has shown a favorable safety profile, boosting investor confidence. Additionally, promising preclinical data related to Recorsa highlighted its potential to overcome resistance in lung cancer treatments and demonstrate effectiveness in other cancers such as mesothelioma and glioblastoma. These findings are set to be presented at the upcoming EORTC-NCI-AACR Symposium, where increased visibility and validation in front of the scientific community could draw more attention to Genprex's initiatives. Furthermore, the decision to establish a separate subsidiary concentrating on diabetes gene therapies reflects strategic foresight, allowing the company to redirect efforts and resources toward oncology. This realignment could enhance GNPX's market position in both fields. In the short term, these developments are likely to elevate the stock price through heightened investor interest and potential collaborations. In the long term, if clinical trials continue to produce positive results, this strategic focus could lead to successful therapies in high-demand cancer treatments, solidifying Genprex's place in the oncology market and improving its financial stability. Analyst Ratings. On Tuesday, the 13th of August, 2024, it was reported that Alliance Global Partners assigned GNPX a buy grade while recommending a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Genprex stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a buy and the price-to-book ratio as a buy. However, regarding return on investment, the analysts designate the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Genprex. Genprex Inc. stock presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at levels of $1.31 and 57 cents. A decline below either of these points will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been noted, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, October 22, 2024, and since then, the stock has decreased by 26.18%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots suggest a sell signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger indicates a buy signal from 59 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a buy signal from 7 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a buy signal from 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages produced a buy signal 4 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a buy signal from 5 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reveals a buy signal from 119 days ago. To discover more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Genprex. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Under the right conditions, the stock could experience significant declines in the upcoming days. This stock exhibits considerable daily fluctuations, and with a substantial prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, it is categorized as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 550 cents between its high and low, which equates to a movement of 21.15%. Additionally, during the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 83.95%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Genprex, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the P/E ratio. This important indicator measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies may face downturns due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios can suggest a lack of profitability and might indicate risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is expected on the 12th of November, 2024. Analysts have a consensus estimate of negative $1.13. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Genprex. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the stock could move upward swiftly under favorable conditions. In this scenario, you may want to consider entering a position and using volume as a guide for determining when to exit. Conversely, there is no significant support from accumulated volume below. This implies that the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain circumstances. It is advisable to proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you're an experienced trader familiar with navigating such situations. The combined average rating for Genprex from various analyst sources indicates a sell recommendation. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 18th of February, 2024, when Mark Stanley Berger executed an insider sale of 1,319 shares of common stock. Our recommended stop loss is set at $2.51, reflecting a decrease of 5.46%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which contributes to a high level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top that was identified 1 day ago. Is Genprex stock a good buy? Genprex Inc. shows several positive indicators. However, these signals may not be sufficient for a strong buy recommendation at this time. At the current level, it is more appropriate to view it as a hold or accumulate position while we await further developments. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 24th of October, we anticipate that Genprex will open at 15 cents, beginning trades at $2.80. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your insights. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.